refreshing. It is a carbonated mineral water, and if you've never had it, you're missing out. Cheers. Hey there, hi there, hello there everyone. It's time for Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it's good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. In today's video, I'm taking part in the Twine It Up Challenge hosted by Fanny at Creations by Favi, and her co-host is the Artsy Cupcake. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of the fun. Now, don't forget that there is a Twine It Up Challenge playlist. It's linked in the description below. And if you missed any of the other Twine It Up Challenge videos that I have, they're also going to be linked in the description below. Also, the host, Creations by Favi, and the Artsy Cupcake, they will be linked in the description below. Now, let's get to my craft room. Let's go see what I made using twine, some suede cord, and some tissue. Come on, let's get to my craft room. Vámonos, let's go see what's waiting. Bring your drink, your favorite beverage, and let's go. For this DIY, I used one of these crates from the Dollar Tree, some tissue paper I got at Hobby Lobby, some floral foam. I mixed these two paints together. I used these pumpkins that I got from the Bullseye at Target, some raffia, some assorted florals. These are from the Dollar Tree. This leather cord I ended up not using. I chose some suede cord instead, and of course some jute twine. I started by removing the stem from one of the smaller pumpkins in the package. Then I mixed the umber paint with the Waverly chalk paint in the color Plaster, creating this really pretty taupe color. I then painted every other section of the pumpkin, giving it 2 coats of paint. Once the pumpkin was dry, I took some jute twine and added it in the indented sections of the pumpkin, around the bottom and around the top. And no way is it the Twine It Up Challenge if we don't have the smell of burnt twine. Enjoy. For the second pumpkin, I took one of the larger pumpkins and covered it using the suede cord. The white glue strings really showed on this black suede, so I brushed them off and then dry brushed the pumpkin with some black paint. I took a piece of felt, added it to the bottom. I reattached the stem, and I really like the way this pumpkin turned out. What do you think? For my third pumpkin, I covered it with jute twine. I started by covering the indented parts of the pumpkin, and then I went back and covered the bumpy part of the pumpkin. I still left some of the color peeking through the jute twine just to give it some dimension. Once I was done, I reattached the stem and then the burning of the twine. Looks like autumn. Next, I measured and cut the tissue paper and decoupaged it onto the crate. I applied a thin layer of Mod Podge as the base, laid the tissue paper over, and once I had the whole crate covered, I added a top coat of Mod Podge. Once the Mod Podge was dry, I used the lighter method to shape around the handle. I did get a little bit of a singe mark on the tissue paper, but wiped it right off. Please be careful when using this method. Next, I poked a hole through the bottom of each of the 3 pumpkins, and using some of my floral stems, I created a pick. Next, I took my fall leaves and added them to the flowers and pumpkins. Now for the florals and fun. I started with the raffia, placing it on the sides of the box for filler, and then started adding in the flowers and the pumpkins wherever they made my heart sing. And here it is, my first fall decor for the season. I really like the way it turned out, and if you like it, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to watch the rest of the Twine It Up Challenge videos from the playlist. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!